Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by laying the watch face down on a soft cloth. This protects the glass while you work. Once done, power off or lock the screen so vibration won't move parts, and make sure you're looking at the strap's connection. You'll be searching for quick-release pins or tiny lug gaps. This is where removal begins. Use a small flat tool or your fingernail to find the spring bar. Steady pressure toward the center releases tension. Keep the strap supported so the bar doesn't spring away. You now focus on the spring bar mechanism. Press the small flange inward toward the strap center to compress the spring. Once compressed, ease the bar out of the lug hole while holding the opposite lug steady. This prevents the bar from shooting out and scratching the case. If the bar resists, reposition your tool and try again at a slightly different angle. Make sure not to bend the bar. When one side clears, gently pull the strap away and set the bar aside for reinstallation. You finish by repeating the same safe compression on the opposite strap. Once both sides are clear, lift the strap off and store each spring bar with its matching end to avoid confusion. Make sure to inspect the lugs and bars for wear. Bent or corroded bars need replacement to prevent accidental loss. If a bar won't budge, apply a tiny drop of rubbing alcohol to loosen debris. Wait a moment, then try again. Also try a dedicated spring bar tool for better leverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.